The DL469 is the first in a series of single-display True RMS clamp meters. The DL469 measures AC and DC volts, resistance, continuity, diode test, AC amps, DC microamps, and has non-contact voltage detection. The DL469 also features data hold, a work light for dark workspaces. This auto-ranging clamp meter has an optional manual ranging mode. In the back, the DL469 features convenient screwdriver-free latches for easy access to the battery compartment and has test lead storage. The DL469 is currently available at professional HVAC distributors.